rainy day in Seattle. We're heading out
In July.
in July. Yes,
Lovely.
thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm and lightning.
Destination
Our destination on the side.
on the side. Just gonna park. Fun parking. There it is. BP.
BP sponsors us.
Got the bakute.
Yeah, it smells so good. And then the Thai flavor. Looks good. Yummy. And then we got appetizer. It's the spicy tangy.
Boiling point. We approve.
Actually pretty good. Starts to get cold.
You want a lot of meat. This one's not a lot. A lot. What? Big? Whoa. And that's actually big. More stuff.
Oh, she has a special talent. She never uses her napkin until the end, and it's always really clean.
I use the napkin. Ratings
Yes.
for the soups that we got today because it was a different soup than we usually would get.
Mm-hmm.
Sis, would you order yours again?
I would not because it's good overall, but it was just too meaty for me. Lots of big chunks of meat. So I had 3 pieces left over.
And what would you give it out of 5 stars?
Ooh, okay. I would say, I feel like I'm really lenient on rating, so like 3.5?
That's
4?
pretty high.
Yeah, 3.5 to 4 out of 5.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
And
What'd you like
what I like about it? The flavor of the soup.
It's very like
Yeah.
spice heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was like really rich in flavor.
Mm-hmm. So it does taste like the actual bakute.
Yes.
So, and yeah, all the ingredients combined
Mm-hmm.
together really goes
Yeah.
well together to me.
True. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, how about you, sis? What was your order?
I got the Thai flavor,
Mhm.
which tasted a lot like tom yum, which is what I really like about it. Has that really refreshing lemongrass flavor
Mm-hmm.
that I like. And then out of 5 stars, I would give it a 5.
I agree. I would do that.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And sis would order again.
Yep, I would. Next time.
Next time it's gonna be her order.
Yep.
Yeah.
And what did you like about your Thai flavor?
I love the soup.
The soup.
Yeah, the soup was my favorite.
Mhm.
Has a good amount of sourness with the spiciness, even though I got medium, because I usually get medium with beef as well, but it's not as spicy with this one for some reason.
Yeah.
So
Because I could handle it.
I cannot even really taste the spicy. It was just like mild to me. Maybe I should get the next flavor up next time.
Ooh.
Spicy.
Oh man.
Yeah.
All right.
All these cuties.
Cito ice cream. They got their ice cream waffle cone. And this is what Sis got. It's one of the chocolates from Mexico.
Yep.